Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll learn how to change TikTok's region. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your TikTok application and open up your settings in privacy. On privacy and scroll down and tap on location services. After opening it, open device settings. After coming on this page, you have to tap on permissions, and in permissions you'll find the option of locations. You have to click on that and tap on don't allow. After tapping on don't allow, you have to move backward, and after coming back to this page you have to tap on delete location history. After deleting all the history of your location, you have to move toward the setting of your mobile phone. After reaching in your setting, you have to type region in the search bar. Region of your phone, tap on it. Set the region according to your desire, region you want to mention or you want to change. Simply tap on that country and your region will be set. This is how you can change the region of your TikTok account by changing the region of your phone. And that's how you can change the region of your TikTok account. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, like, share and subscribe to our channel. I hope this video will help you in any way. By following these steps, you can change the region of your TikTok account.